Is that really what it looked like? No, you could be able
That ain't what it
to
look
see.
like. Yeah.
It smell weird in here though. Driving, CJ driving the ambulance. Hurry up, you gotta get the patient to the hospital stat. Turn, you gotta keep your sirens on. Woo! That boy driving this truck. You know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom, you're not in the seatbelt.
Honk the horn.
Mom, you're not in the seatbelt.
Sir, you're not in the seatbelt either.
I don't need to.
Okay.
I'm in the